We have been flushing our downstairs toilet with rainwater for 3 years now, and I have been keeping meter readings every Sunday. If you would like a breakdown of money and water saved, do let me know and I'll look into putting a video together. The water butt is filled from rainwater that hits the northern side of our house's roof. It travels down the gutters into the J-bend, hopefully trapping all the debris that comes off the roof. The J-bend then fills up with water before overflowing into the water butt. Before the water butt overfills, the rainwater overflows down the regular storm drain. The rainwater reaches the toilet cistern via gravity, as all water looks to seek a level. Any water held in the water butt above the cistern will flow into the cistern when the valve is open. The fuller the water butt, the more force is present in the water filling the toilet cistern. Whilst it does rain heavily in England, it isn't a constant rain, and so the water does dry up from time to time. It is for this reason the toilet cistern can also be filled with mains water, also known as wholesome water. The system has been signed off with the local water board as the contamination of potable water is a serious matter. There are many ways to prevent back contamination, such as an air gap. However, be aware that methods such as non-return valves are not an adequate solution. After toying with filling the toilet with rainwater only, and then switching to mains water in the dry months, the 0.1 bars of pressure is insufficient for people using the toilet in quick succession, such as when you have guests leaving for a long drive. My solution was to reduce the mains flows to an adequate amount and have the remainder be made up of rainwater. Surprisingly, the annual results didn't suffer. The system requires servicing in 3 ways. Now and then, the rubber gasket at the inlet to the cistern needs to be rubbed clean. Occasionally, the J-bend requires emptying of water and debris before it stagnates and smelly water enters the water butt. In summer, when rain is few and far between, drain down the remainder of the tank, offering neighbours to fill up their watering cans for their plants, especially if a hosepipe ban is on. The benefits of flushing your toilet with rainwater are as follows, albeit some are marginal. It reduces the usage of storm drains, playing a role in reducing sewage being dumped into our rivers and seas. It hedges against any future price rises. It improves your self-reliance. In the past 2 years, there have been burst water mains in our road and further afield, knocking our water out for many days. It reduces the amount of drinkable water being flushed down the toilet, almost 18,000 litres in our case, which is the benefit of reducing the carbon emissions associated with water treatment, reducing the cost of supply and waste to a metered property, giving you that feel-good feeling. There is definitely a difficulty in estimating the cost of the project as the work was undertaken as part of a remodel, using leftover tiles from the bathroom at our previous house. However, the cost of the water butt and water meter totaled £300. I've included links to the water butt in the description. Be advised, these are affiliate links and are may earn commission if you make a qualifying purchase when using them. Alternatively, I have provided keywords which you can use to find the product in your search engine of choice. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video.